Hello again. So we're just still here in Macclesfield, Cheshire, and northern part of the UK. This is our WK657. It's a 1952 Jaguar XK120 fixed it is finished in a beautiful green. It's not British racing green, it's a nice metallic green. This one's registered in Sheffield in the west, in South Yorkshire in the northern UK. Beautiful vehicle, record breaking in its day, went racing as a mark, and it's just a beautifully turned out car. This is your car?
Would you like to say a few words about it?
We do videos of Jaguars involved with the Jaguar Enthusiast Club. I just wondered if you're prepared just to talk for 2 minutes about it?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm just about to go.
That's what we'll just cap literally 2 minutes.
Okay, that's right.
So I know your car.
Oh, you do?
Your car's a lovely 1952 example of the XK Jaguar. Do you know a little bit about its history?
Yeah, it came from. It was born in. Well, it was born in Italy and it went to Texas, so it imported from Texas.
Oh, it spent most of its life in the States.
Yeah, that's right. And then it came back over here about 30 years ago.
Right.
And then it's been restored. It changed over to right-hand drive. Engine's fast road specification. It's basically it's a Nigel Dawes replica of an XK120. So it's got 150 disc brakes. It's a replica of a special 120.
Oh, I see, but it is an original car.
Oh yes, that's right.
The overwhelming majority.
Oh yeah, that's right. But it's built to what they call Nigel Dawes specification.
Right.
He was quite famous for making a short run of cars with 150 disc brakes and different steering column, various things to make the car a lot more drivable and usable.
Right. I believe it's a very special year for the XK this year.
Yes, it is. The XK70. We're going down to Shelsley Wharf. I believe that's where it is.
60th Diamond Jubilee of the mark?
Yeah.
Of the XK mark?
The XK, yeah. XK70. So right. It's the 70th, isn't it?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Which for our foreign viewers is a big UK national event celebrating the 70th anniversary of the XK, which is taking place in...
I believe it's in Shelsley Wharf, the hill climb.
Oh right, and that's where exactly is that?
Well, you asked me again. I'm not too sure about that.
Somewhere in the south of England.
Yeah, middle of England.
Middle of England.
I know it's not too far. We'll have to go.
Okay.
Probably Worcestershire or something.
Oh yeah. Well, hopefully off to the Jaguar Jaguar event at Bewley, and also the XJ event at Wroxall Hall.
Yes, that's right. I hope to go with that.
Oh right.
I'll take a different Jaguar to that one.
May I ask what your other Jaguar is, sir?
I've got two. I've got a V12 E-Type Roadster.
Oh, lovely. What colour?
It's white. I've had it for 42 years.
From new?
From new, yes.
Fantastic. Late build.
Yeah. And I've also got a Mark II Jaguar 3.4.
What colour is your Mark II?
That's gunmetal grey with a red interior.
So you don't fancy yourself as a latter-day Morse?
No, not really, but quite happy with what I've got.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir, for your help, and we wish you every success with your Jaguars, and hopefully we'll catch up at another event later in the year.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much.
Cheers
Thank
now.
you.